Now, there are some verbs that do not require the use of prepositions. Okay, anytime you use these verbs, you are not allowed to use any other preposition or prepositions after them. Verbs like demand, request, okay, emphasize, stress, advocate, comprise. All these are order. All these verbs, when you use them, you don't use prepositions. For example, you cannot say um, he emphasized on the issue. It's a very bad grammar. Rather, you have he emphasized the issue. He was stressing on the issue is not also correct. It is he was stressing the issue. Okay. He demanded for money is not a correct grammar. Rather, you have he demanded money. All right. But you can use it as a noun when you have he made a demand for money. The same thing is request. When you use request, don't use for. He requested for peace. No, he requested peace. All right. But when you want to use it as a noun, you can have he made a request for peace. Okay. The same thing is applicable to the word order. O-R-D-E-R. He ordered for a drink. He ordered for a drink. It's not a good grammar. It is he ordered a drink. You can also make it function as a noun. He made an order for a drink. It will be correct in that sense. Okay. Another one is discuss. You cannot have he was discussing about politics. He was discussing politics. Okay. So all these are things we should be careful with. Then we also have solicited for. He solicited for support. No, he solicited support. Okay. He advocated for. It's not also correct. You have he advocated. For example, he advocated a one-party system, not he advocated for a one-party system. You get. Then you also have comprise. Anytime you use comprise, okay, don't use of. You cannot say the class comprises of 20 students. It's a bad grammar. You have the class comprises 20 students. Okay. But if you have verbs to be like is, am, was, are, were before comprise, okay, you can use of after it. For example, the class is comprised of 20 students. All right. So be careful with the use of these prepositions. Very important.